we still find issues that we highlighted during our market studies of the financial sector. Number one, issues of transparency as to fees and charges to customers still persist, and we still want those things addressed by the banking sector. The other one is the issue of high cost of fees and charges that are being charged to consumers, and we are encouraging the banks again to come up with more ways of providing the service to customers at affordable fees. We usually communicate to the respective banking and what they need to do. If you see why there is increased transparency in the banking sector, is because of the market studies that we did in 2015 and 2018, and we found that there were those hidden charges that were not being disclosed to the customers. And even today, I emphasized the need for those increased transparency so that customers are aware of all the charges they are paying to access financial services. I have a memorandum of understanding with Central Bank as far as consumer protection and consumer welfare issues are concerned. And whenever we have such issues coming to our attention, we process them and collaborate with Central Bank to have them resolved by banks. So this was a great opportunity for Competition Authority of Kenya to engage the financial sector so that going forward we can partner for purposes of our customers and consumers being served better.
As banks, we only thrive when our customers are thriving. Otherwise, we will not be in business when our customers are having challenges, first in their failure to actually pay the loans that they have taken. So my commitment is on the fact that loans, the interest rates on loans are coming down, and that's immediate. It's not now an aspect of delay, because we appreciate Central Bank's gradual steps that were taken from August. So that has helped us actually to be able to balance with our deposits. So beginning this month, and we've actually been able to see some banks moving. So the whole industry is actually going to move down on interest rates, because we are keen to be able to ensure that customers are getting affordable credit from banks. And I also just want to say that 2025 is actually a year of growth. So for customers, they need also to be able now to engage with the various banks, just to be able to ensure that they're taking up loans, they're growing their businesses and scaling up, because we need to thrive and build the economy. So interest rates are coming down. We just need to get back to business, revive what we had taken a step back on to be able to grow the economy. So for the very first time, we had the very highest responses from customers. We had 37,000 responses from customers. So that just shows how customers are heavily invested into improvement within the banking industry. So from the report, we've seen frustrated customers. They've actually reduced. So the perception is that banks are able to respond very fast to complaints within 2 days. That's a 75% score, which is a very, very good score. And actually realizing that we are coming from an environment where the economy has been very constrained. So any touch point with financial institutions, you may find that it's actually a level of complaint or discomfort. So as an industry, we've done well, and we look inward just to be able to continually improve. What we've seen also is the fact that digital channels are still strong, and even customer sentiments are to the effect that banks need to invest more in the digital channels and be more interactive in engaging with customers. Uptime also is an issue that people have said, yes, we've moved to the digital channels, we've moved to the web, but there are times when the systems are down, so that's some sentiments that we've been able to pick up. So we are happy to engage with our customers and just be able to also ensure that they give us feedback, not just through complaints, but reach out to us even when things are thriving well, so that we can be able to continually improve as a banking sector.
There's continuous acceleration of technology, mirroring also the global trend towards more accessible and customer-friendly financial solutions. In the recent industry findings, which also speaks to the survey, satisfaction survey report, there's a growing shift in customer banking preferences towards digital platforms. The widespread adoption of mobile banking signifies a significant transition towards a more convenient and accessible financial solutions, reducing reliance on traditional in-branch and face-to-face solutions for customers. Additionally, there's a significant portion of customers that are actively engaging on online banking platforms. Again, as confirmed by the survey that has just been presented to us. These insights highlight the increasing demand for seamless technology-driven banking experiences that cater for evolving customer needs.